Namaste, Veda. Hello, everyone. So, once again, back with the new video. In previous video, we have learned about single inheritance. Now it's time for multiple inheritance. Okay, so let's go back into our screen. So now multiple inheritance. Before this, we have covered single inheritance. In that, we have understood in detail about Ballu Gajodhar. If you have not seen that, just watch that story because this is like the fourth part. So you need to complete the series to understand the complete story. So now we were going to use the same concept of single inheritance and will understand multiple inheritance. So in single inheritance, as the name suggests, and I have told you, you have a single parent in that case, mother or father. Okay, like our Gajodhar had Ballu. Okay, and the only child was Gajodhar. Now see the simple concept in a minute, you would understand this. Multiple inheritance means you would have multiple, which means you have more than one parent. So father, mother, it can be there. Father, mother, you can be have. You have mother, father also. So basically you can have multiple parents. That is called as multiple inheritance. Multiple means more. So in simple words, let's say Ballu and there is Chinky. Okay. Yeah. So now Gajodhar is the child of both of them. So exactly we are going to see that. I would just take the old code in the same way. So class, we would have a father named as Ballu. Okay. Then inside that we would have some property, that is, let's say property one for property for Ballu. Okay. Property for Ballu we have, and that is self. And inside that, Ballu has a property of self dot house, and again it is of this time the house is double 2 crores. Okay, and he also have self dot car, and that is Lambo white guinea laya hu. Okay, and then we have def property for Chinky, and self in the same way, but this is not a def, this would be our class. So we would write here class, and then this is Chinky. Okay, and inside this also we would have the property for Chinky. Let's say Chinky has a YouTube channel, that is self.youtube. Okay, and the name for that is okay, let's say the name for that channel is vlogs channel. Okay, so you know that vlogs channel, he would have at least around 10 millions of subscribers. Okay, and now we would create here our Gajodhar, and it would be, now see how simple it is. The moment you create a child, you just need to write the parent names. So Ballu, comma, Chinky, that's it. So see, my old video got record complete. So, but yeah, you will see here Ballu, Chinky, and then yes, that's it. Then we would create his own property def. Like let's say this is a star kid. Just let's say that this person is a star kid, Gajodhar our, and self inside that. Okay, and we would write here star kid. Because of the YouTube channel, he can easily get more and more views. So like all of you know that it is exactly the same example of YouTube channel. Okay, I would not say the name, but you can tell me. Okay, he already had 10 millions, but his brother got directly that channel with 1 million starting. Okay, so basically same thing I'm writing here, self dot star, self-made star. Okay, and I'm saying that right now he also has around 4 million subscribers. Okay, so just simple as that. Now the moment we have created here Ballu, Gajodhar and Chinky, we would just create objects for them. So we would create only the object for Gajodhar. Okay, let's see. So we are writing here C1 equals to Gajodhar. Okay, and that's it. Now we just need to call this properties. So C1 dot property of Ballu. So he can get all the property of Ballu. You can check that C1 of house because he is his father. So C1 dot house, 2 crores of house. Same way he would have a car, comma C1 dot car, and you would see that it would be a Lambo car. Same way, like he can access the father's property. Okay, same way you can access here C1 dot pro underscore Chinky property as well. Okay, and we can write here C1 dot the YouTube channel. Okay, he can run as many ads or the promotions he want inside this Chinky channel. That is he has 10 millions already. He has a base, and then he has his own because he is also a star kid now. So star kid, and we would just write here c1.star. So how much he has? He has 4 million subscribers. So this is multiple inheritance. Stories apart, okay, jokes apart, what you have understood here is you can have multiple parents, not only two. If you want more, you can have, just you need to do comma and write it. The main advantage of this inheritance is you don't need to write any stuff again, and you can directly use it in the code. Okay, if you explain the interviewer just this simple example also, that is super duper awesome. He would understand that you know the concepts. Okay, so this was all about multiple inheritance. Now in next video, we are going to see multi-level inheritance. Thank you so much, everyone. Keep smiling.